Hey everyone, so today we're checking out two awesome self-hosted photo management tools, PhotoPrism and Immich. If you're trying to organize your photos and keep them private, both are solid picks, but which one is better for you? Let's find out. Let's start with PhotoPrism. It's been around longer, so it's super stable. It uses AI to help organize your photos automatically, like tagging people, places, and even objects. You can search your pictures just by typing something like beach or sunset, and it'll show you what matches. The interface looks clean and it works great on desktop, but it can be kind of heavy on resources. So if you're running it on a low power server or Raspberry Pi, it might feel a bit slow. Now let's talk about Image. It's newer, but it's catching up fast. Image is really focused on speed, especially with mobile uploads. There's a nice app for Android and iPhone so your photos can upload automatically, like how Google Photos works. The interface looks modern and feels super smooth. It's also great for sharing albums with friends and family. However, since it's newer, some features are still being worked on. Like the face recognition isn't as advanced as PhotoPrism's, at least not yet. And if you need advanced search or wanted to tag photos automatically, you might miss that here. So, which one should you use? If you want powerful search, tagging, and organization, and you don't mind it using more system power, go with PhotoPrism. But if you're looking for speed, mobile friendly uploads, and a smoother experience, especially on your phone, then go to Image. But at the end of the day, both are awesome. Just pick the one that fits your needs best, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.